back to the channel, everybody. Lots of people have been asking ERAY updates. Here you have it, ERAY. World's first and world's fastest twin turbo ERAY. And Texas Motorplex, I gotta yell now. We're making another pass. It's gonna be the very last time you're gonna see this car in this rendition. We've made several track videos, this third one now, with the stock cam, stock head setup, making a 1030 wheel. And we have a lot of surprises in the end of this video showing what we're gonna do with the car. But this is the last time you're gonna see it in this power level, making 12 pounds of boost. As you guys have seen in the last couple videos, we've had issues with traction. Electric front motor, a lot of torque. 875 wheel horsepower with a twin turbo, a lot of torque. It spins off the line with the carbon fiber wheels, and we made a change, and let's show you guys. As you guys know, we have a lot of cars in the stable and a lot of fleet. I stole my CT5D Blackwing drag radials and I put it in this car. Very surprised that we were able to actually make it fit without hitting the inner fender of the car, but it's there. So it has our signature 18-inch drag pack in the back with a Mickey Thompson ET Street R drag radial, and we're excited to see if it hooks and if it makes a difference. We made some suspension changes on the car too. It's still in a bone stock suspension, and we just refined and tuned it. So I'm not gonna give too much details because I don't want everybody else competing with us to be copying our research and development. But if you guys want your cars built at Boost District, if you guys want to buy the parts at Boost District, we got you covered. So we have the camera here. Sam is in charge of our Insta360 camera, so if he drops the ball, you go yell at him. Cars on the same exact setup. Stock cam, stock head, stock catalytic converters, twin turbo and piston only, as you guys have seen in the previous videos, but we got big changes coming. We're gonna discuss that in the very end. Besides that, let's go show off the engine bay real quick. As you guys can see, still the same setup. Cover fits in place. We've been asked that question several times if the cover is still in the go. It still goes there. Yes, the cover still fits, and your Targa stop still fits. I just like showing it off. So obviously we are going to be dropping a video of our Stingray twin turbo kit that is 21,650 special, and our ERAY video comparing them both and driving them. You're going to see that we have the covers on there that we've already filmed. So I like showing it off, that's why it's off. But for you guys that want to keep it covered, we got you covered. So this car is going to be ready to go. We're going to cool it down. Gavin drove it here from the shop to the track. We trailered the SS sedan. That's gonna be a separate video. I already made a pass and it's wicked. So let's hop in it. Let's make some passes and let's see if it hooks, and let's see how fast we go. It's really hot in Texas Motor Speedway right now. It's about 95 degrees in the nighttime, maybe 100. And last time I checked, it was 95 or 97. So I don't expect it to go fast. I just want it to hook. If we can make it hook and go A to B, today's gonna be a success because it's gonna be a foundation on our faster kits that we sell as our power packages for this car. So let's jump right into it. Enjoy the video. We really appreciate the love and the support. Comment down below where you guys are from. I like seeing where everybody's from that watches and listens to our videos. So if you have an ERAY, if you have a Stingray, if you have a C8 Corvette of any kind, bring it to us, let us build it. And if you want parts, hop in at boostdistrict.com and let's go talk about it later. about the power, we didn't ice it down. That was literally driven from the streets directly to the track with about a 10-minute cool down. but it went A to B, no bog down, no traction issue. Oh, perfect. Love it. Yep, there we go. 9.6 at 145 miles per hour. We're 7 miles per hour down because of temperatures. That was really hot, 140 degrees IAT temperature. It is 100 degrees right now in the night. We're gonna cool it way down. I drove it 25 miles before running this pass. Let's see about the 60 foot. Oh, 1.49 60 foot. That's the best it's ever had. We're going places tonight. If we can ice it down and cool it down, it's going fast. This is really good. Happy with this. We didn't go fast, but we went the fastest 60 foot for now. 1.49 60 foot. It went 969 at 145, but you know, I did drive it from the house to here, and I barely cooled it down. Yeah, I'm gonna cool it down, I'm gonna ice it down, and I'm gonna send you the log right now. Very happy with it. It launched really good. Really good. Yeah. So I'll send you the log. You'll have it in a few seconds. Thank you. Alright, so round number 2 on this car. We've added a little bit of ice in it. It's cooled down for about an hour. We had a Mustang oil down the track, of course. So we've been waiting here in the staging lanes for about an hour already. I think it's better temperature. Christian did make some changes on the laptop, so we'll see how the tuning goes. Hoping for the best, and let's see how this thing rips this time. Well, pass number 2, it's better. We went 145 on the 60 foot, which is the best one yet out of this car. But we went our personal best, 955 at 147.4. That's not a fast mile an hour that we have. We've gone 153 on this car, but it is really hot outside. It's almost 85 degrees still at almost 11:30 in the night. But the fastest speed, it did spin very little, but consistently that we were still able to pull through it. So I need to do a better job on building boost off the line. You gotta remember, I'm a supercharger guy. This is my first twin turbo car that I've had, so I do forget things sometimes. But that pass, it went 2.5 pounds of boost off the line. Usually we try to leave about 4 to 5 pounds of boost. So I left a little bit on the table over there. We're gonna cool it back down, be more aggressive with it next time around, and see where it ends up. So so far, the day has been good. Besides the oil down of the other guys, our progress has been really good. Tuning itself has been nice. The setup is good. We're making progress, and that's all I can ask for. So this time slip goes in our vault. So good. All right, next one. need some good news. Thank you. 950 at 149. That's our PB. We're stuck in the 950 zone, but we're not in the 955s. We're in the 950s. That's 145 60 foot. I'm gonna overlay this in top, but I'll take it. Not bad. Really good stuff. Does me a lot of good. Tells me what we need to change. Well, guys, this is a really good test session for us. It's really hot still. It's 2 o'clock in the morning, and look at how much this water bottle is sweating already out of the cooler to testify. So it's 90 degrees still. We did learn a lot. We did reset our record. We went 7/1000ths of a second quicker this time around, even though it's really hot. So that's good. We are getting out of the hole much faster and much more aggressive, and we've implemented what we learned on the Stingray and put it in this car, which has been a really good success story. So we're still the fastest C8 Stingray Corvette and also the fastest ERAY Corvette today. And I don't think I'm gonna give that record up real quick. To end this video, let's jump into the warehouse real quick, and I'm gonna show you guys what we have coming in. And I'm excited to show it to you because this is the next stage of the ERAY, rolling out the 1200 horsepower package, and I'm really excited to show that off and get that out to the track next time out. So this is the last time you're gonna see this stock cam, stock head combo. I think we've perfected it. It has speed left if we do go out in the winter or cooler months. So that's a really good setup, dialed in now. Now that we're able to get it out of the hole. But as far as the future goes, 1200 horsepower package, here we go.